Let's go see what the Dollar Tree got today. Let's see what they got today. Now, y'all, I'm just looking for some goodies for my garden. There she is. She's stocking it. She's stocking it. Oh, you're getting those garden goodies up.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, baby.
How are you?
I'm good, honey. How are you?
All right.
Look like we got some new stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got some new stuff. Yep, y'all see that? They're here. The seeds are here. I don't know who that was who told me that Dollar Tree had their stuff in, but thank you, baby. And check it out, y'all. They got different colors now. They got the blues and tan and looks like terracotta. Woo-hoo! So, these are some, I'm gonna get this, but I'm looking for, oh yeah, they're here, guys. It's here. Little greenhouse starters. Let's see. So this would be great for my microgreens. So y'all know I'm getting 2 of these. Gotta get it. Oh boy. Oh, this is exciting. This is exciting.
It's gardening time.
It's gardening time. Yay. Gardening time at the Dollar Tree. You know it's gardening time. Huh? So, oh, these are, okay. Oh, that's those little, yeah, well, we seen those. Boom. Yes, I need that. So my favorite flowers from here at the Dollar Tree is these guys right here. Them right there. Those zinnias are cactus zinnias, and they are my favorite flowers that I get from the Dollar Tree. But I got a bunch. So I don't need them, but I do have a bunch of them. All right. So, what do I need from here today? I don't need any seeds, I don't think. Maybe I get some green onions, I don't know. So these are the little soaker hose. So if you all can remember when my moringa tree fell, I tied her up using a soaker hose that I'd never used. So I never opened the soaker hose before, but they are really cool to have. Very cool. And they're here at the Dollar Tree. He is still putting up all the goodies. And check this out, y'all. The microgreens. So this is a great time for your microgreens, and they're 5-gram pack of microgreens. So let's get one because I do have some already. And they have, this is called the hot mix. They have a mild mix. So let's see what's in this one. So they have mustard, purple wave, mustard Mizuna, lime street, mustard tatsoi, kale red, and they have kohlrabi, purple Vienna. That's what's in this pack right here. And in this one, they have cabbage red express, kale, lacinato, mustard tatsoi, black knight, cabbage pak choy, and mustard mazuna. I have this pack. Matter of fact, I sent the pack like that to my beautiful, beautiful Mama 4. And how long does it take for you to get those greens? 5 days. 5 days. Here is 10 days to harvest. 5 days to harvest here. Absolutely amazing. Amazing stuff. Yeah. And pots, they have different colors. That's so pretty. I need maybe 2. But I would love to have a 2-gallon pot, yellow. That would be nice. I love that yellow. Hey, man. That's okay, baby. You good. All right. So maybe when she finish, I'll have some 2-gallon yellow pot. I hope. Hello, everyone. This is Linda. So I'm back home now, so I want to share with you all what I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Yeah. So I hope you are having a beautiful evening. Yeah, I was going to do this video with Jada, but it didn't work out that way. So here we go. So the first thing I did, I picked up 2 bags of this starter seed. Now this is the only soil over there at the Dollar Tree that I do really like. And it's the potting mix. Yep, I love that. I got 2 of those. I purchased 2 of these gloves. Now these are different from your regular garden gloves that you get over at the Dollar Tree. You can tell that the other gloves have this rubber, very hard rubber inside. These gloves here you will find over by the glue and tapes and stuff like that. They're really different and they're really cool. They allow you to do things with your hands and keep the gloves on. And I think they're really cool. So I bought 2 pairs of those. Yeah. I purchased 2 of the seed starting greenhouses. Now, I purchased those because, where the other one at? Here it is right here. There's the second one. So I purchased those because, yep, I did purchase one of those microgreens. Now, I already have some microgreen seeds, so I'm going to start some in each one of these little trays. I will bring you along when I drop those seeds. So I purchased some plant clips. Yep. Now, last season, on the tripods, they had these tripods there. Let's see what they're called. Let's see. Oh, okay. Here the name of it is the Stackable 3-tier planter. So this is them. Now, last season they only had one color, and that was the terracotta. So this is the tan, and they have the blue. Yep, they have the blue. I also purchased 2 of these yellow pots. Now I only purchased them, they yellow or gold, but they're really pretty. I only purchased them because of the color. They are really pretty. And because they hadn't finished stocking the shelves when I left, hopefully they have 2.5-gallon pots that is yellow. I hope so. So I purchased this it's a party tablecloth. It's plastic, and I do have a piece of furniture out in my garden, and I'm going to put this around that piece of furniture so it could look nice. I purchased 2 of those, 2 packs of the I may need another one. You never know, right? So I purchased about 3 of these. Yeah, y'all know I need to work on those labels. So I purchased these here, and this is like a little shot cups. They're really small, but seed starting. That's what I'm gonna drop in here. Yep. And my favorite ties. Ooh, I love these things. It's flexible. They are really, really cool. I cut them, and of course, I use them for my plants, for everything, really, everything. I love these things. So I purchased 3 of these. 3, just like that. They have this real cool thing. A llama, y'all. They got a llama. So I love these llamas. I do have a little pot. It's a planting pot, and it is a llama. I purchased it from the Dollar Tree, and it is called Uma. That's what she called, Uma. Yeah, so it makes me think about my friend here on YouTube, Uma. I bought a bumblebee, and I purchased a ladybug. I got a ladybug. Yeah. I also purchased this, and this is just, it says love, and it's made of wiring, and I'm going to spray paint it red. Yep, to go with the theme for my garden. Let's see what else I got here. That's it. Oh, I did buy 1 pack of green onions. Now, what I want to say to you all is that don't forget your all of your herb seeds, vegetables, and fruit seeds, right? You can purchase them at the Dollar Tree with your SNAP card. So don't forget, if you need that, then you do that so you can stretch your SNAP dollars a long way, baby. Yeah, that's stretching your dollar. It really is. And of course, yeah, y'all, I bought some brushes. This is eyeshadow brushes for myself. But let me share this too. So I got this in the mail today. This is not from the Dollar Tree. No. But I ordered these seeds, and if you've been around my channel, then you know that I don't like colorful seeds. And look at those seeds. They are blue. Not a big fan, but what could you do? I'm gonna drop them anyway. But this is purple tatsoi. Yep, purple tatsoi. I did get them in the mail today. They also gave me a free pack of basil. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share my little Dollar Tree haul with you all. It's been a while since I did a Dollar Tree haul. I used to do them all the time, right? Just do a haul or walk through. But when you're in the garden as much as I am, it's, you choose. I chose the garden. But every now and then, we'll hit the Dollar Tree, and I'll bring you all and share what I got over at the Dollar Tree. But anyway, guys, I hope you'll have a beautiful night. Later, y'all.